Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. The idea here is in your form practice where you have a question. This is particularly resonant and relevant where you have a really kind of niggling question, a real thorn in your side, and maybe a long-term or an especially challenging challenge of a question. So it might be the sort of thing you're planning to ask your teacher when you see them in class this week, or it might be the sort of thing you're trying to formulate the right question to get at the problem you're having. So this isn't usually going to be something where I just wasn't sure, is it the left foot forward or the right foot forward? It's probably a little bit more deep or complex or subtle or existential or spiritual or something. So the idea is you know where you have the question. So I have move A, move B, maybe my question's on move C, just as an example. And so during my practice this week, and this is your tip, so this is for your practice this week, identify the place where you have the question, and then do not practice that move this week. Do not practice it physically. Do not practice it by reading your notes or writing your notes. Do not practice it by thinking it through, visualizing and formulating your understanding, visualization. Leave it out of your consciousness. So for example, if I have move A, move B, and move C, and my problem is move C, I'm going to practice this week move A, move B, and then move D and E. I'm going to just skip over C. In some cases, skipping over C is kind of easy because it's like easy to go from B to D in a given form. Other times, leaving out C makes it really hard to figure out how to get to D. So you don't have to over-worry yourself. You can just jump in and figure it out when you figure it out. But the idea here is to give your subconscious an opportunity to be the only facet of your being that is bare.
Thank you for watching, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Thank you also for remembering that today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. This last image will help you find me online.